and painful if it just consolidates there.
Yeah. If we print underneath this down close candle on the weekly chart, the down close candle that's creating a CISD, I would be satisfied with that, which is like, I don't know, 4-week open, no close. That little down close candle. So if we close underneath that body, I'd be okay with that. Although I know that's not what everyone who's short wants, but
yeah. So this is pretty nice formation here for a swing point.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, definitely body close under here is pretty bearish, I think.
Yeah. Agreed. Then we just need that displacement.
All right. Any questions on the 1 hour chart, guys? Hope everyone is doing this now. 1 hour and then that 6 hour with the monthly. Full footing shorts.
Is everyone following us, getting it? Everyone on the same page?
Jumping dragon to cozy. How do you handle situations like this when it comes back to your entry? From my point of view, like it just happens all the time. You get used to BEs, you know, it's like B, $300 or $1,000. B.
Yeah. BE is the most amazing feeling ever. Get used to it. If you cannot get down with BE, then you just gotta be down with losing all the time. So BE is way better. Exactly. BE, wait for re-entry. And she literally tells you guys when she's going BE. And Adrian and I have a similar setup for going BE. Sometimes he goes a little bit early, but I try to go BE at 1.5. I used to go BE at 2, but I've shortened that to 1.5 now. I might even change it to 1.25 if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
So
it kind of depends on how price is printing as well, I think, and how the candles are printing.
For sure. If it's like moving quickly and it's closing below
You know,
lows.
like if I'm in London and I'm short and then you get a bullish BPR coming back towards you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm going BE right now.
BE. Yeah.
I'm not messing with this. Yeah, exactly. Because if you're not making money, you're gaining experience. So you should be going BE. I will say that until I'm blue in the face. We can argue about it. Yeah, exactly. After static, I've actually I've messed myself up quite a bit with that, and literally in the past 3 weeks, where I actually just on Friday I had an account that was double static, and we almost hit previous day high, and it came back and got me out for $50 BE. So, and I literally called, yeah.
Part of the game.
Yes, exactly. And I was in the chat talking about it, literally saying, I'm long here, my TP is here, it's all or BE, and I went back BE. And this is a fresh funded account that was double static at the time. So another good place to go BE is when you're static. Nice soy. Happy for you, bro. Truly. At least someone is eating.
All right, shall we do a quick review for the day? Hit that replay tool. So we had our PDH, PDL, OTE to come back up for the day, and then this was the bearish OTE up for the lows. And we had our previous zone, so we've got the one down here. back from Tuesday, which is what's been holding lately, and that was unmitigated. Once we come out, didn't even touch it here. That's what we come back to on for Thursday. So if we open up for Asia, created liquidity along here. So quarter one sell-off. What am I doing there? That's I've got PM high and Asia high around the same levels. Just wondering why I had the two lines. So we come back up. So Asia's hit PM high straight away in quarter one. Come back down for a quarter two manipulation. We had our fixed range volume profile POC of the daily range here as well. And then we just go into painful consolidation for Asia for the from there onwards. True day open here as well, which was exactly on that fixed range volume profile POC too. The overlapping of stuff makes me a bit sad because it's can't get a nice clean chart. So then we have our Asia manipulation. We come back out. It didn't break that until London. Rectangle one. Oops.
Just retest the high and keeps going. Implementing the Asia range. Video by ICT.
My brain's not working today very well after my run. Yeah. So break the Asia range, quarter two of London, which is what we talk about. And we've mentioned a few times, Jess, with those bullish continuations. Come back up, flip Asia high, flip PM high here as well. We've had the VWAP, 200 SMA, 20 SMA, and then just expansion up to SD1. Draw our SD 1.5 across as well here. And 2.5 was the high of the day.
So beautiful.
We flip this part here again into London quarter three. So London Q3 nation.
What? Wait, hold on a second. Adrian, I think you froze because... Oh, never mind.
Yep, so we're up. So I sold this. So 3 o'clock macro. I just wanted this just to come down, and that was is that the 7.9 there? Let's have a look. I haven't got that on the chart. Yeah. So this was our 0.79 here, and we had bearish engulfing. So sold this, and this is what I mean about you then get that BPR against you for price to come back up. So I had a standard deviation on this as well. So SD1, Jess.
Yes, look at that. Look how it's right between the two. Oh man, yeah, that's got to be the signature there. Then the BPR right after that. Gosh.
So we get to here and we're like, oh yeah, this is looking great.
And then it just...
And then this guy. Yeah.
Gosh, so annoying.
Yeah, I said something close to that. So yeah, very nice OTE, bearish engulfing, nice position for the short, but just no continuation. Ideally, we wanted this the CB to hold. We come back up to CE and continue down. And quarter four, so then same thing again. We just had a little manipulation down here, small BPR in there, and a BISI. and then into, so these last 2 days, that quarter three has been a bit later. Sorry, this was quarter four for New York, which is what we had here as well, right? Quarter four for the turnaround, 11 o'clock, 10:45.
Yeah.
So sweeper PDH, SD 2.5 from the Asia range, and 0.79 from the largest swing. Do you guys want me to draw it on again?
Yes.
So this is what we talked about. I mentioned a few times with soy with the 5-minute SBS. So lots of confluence here. 0.79 from this swing here for continuation down. And the SBS was from this swing here, right? So we have our breakdown here, 1, and then 2 for that high. 1, 2, and we get this low is 3. I'm not going to be able to drag my screen across. All right. So then we're looking for the breaks above 2, and that was it. 4. 5. So if we draw that line across. And for the SBS, we're looking for shorts above 2 and ideally into that 0.79.
Which is beautiful.
Yeah. And then aligned with that Asia manipulation zone, SD 2.5. And the new H4. So open high, low close. We can then grab that 5-minute zone. It's getting a little bit messy now. So this was our New York AMQ4 manipulation. And then we look for, we can do an early entry, high risk entry off that inverted BISI here. Once we come down and back in. Otherwise, we wait for the zone to break. And 11:35 there, back into the zone. We've got a SIBI in here. My JS having trouble? Can everyone else still hear okay?
There's like 3 members that cannot hear and have not been able to hear the entire time, I think.
Okay. It is being recorded. I will pop the recording in the channel soon. You're fine. All right. Cool. So we get our break of the zone here and back in. Just touch into that CB and sell off from there. No body closes in. CE, wicks back in. Straight down to SD 1.5, SD2, and the PM low. This is what I wanted all day, Jess. That was like one of my targets from London here as well. I'm like, it's going to come down, take Asia low, PM low. You know, I'd wanted the PM low after seeing this up here.
$10 a.m. high of day to what, 1500 low of day? 1600 low of day? 9 to 10.
Yeah. 14:35. Sweep of the low here. and back into this zone that was unmitigated. So just taps it.
Beautiful. Now we'll have to see.
Just missed SD3.
Well, I like the bodies at 2.5. I like the bodies.
And then into, so Q2 manipulation for the PM here. For people trading the PM. Displacement out. You can do another OTE from this low to the high here. At 705. Swing failure pattern candle here. Comes down, closes back in. And we look 50% of that to be respected from the week there. And then we can target the high of that and the high of this for the swing failure patterns. And then not getting back to SD 1.5, just back to SD1, which we were talking about with our new daily setup. Swing failure pattern here into SD1. And then target that one and lower the range, which, how low do we get? Not quite there. Now we're getting some normal Asia. Volume just dies right off, which is frustrating when you get like a nice setup. So yeah, very nice build up. All the internal range liquidity build up here all day, all ready for New York and for when Adrian's asleep. Into the key level here on multiple time frames, plus the bearish SBS and expansion down. It just takes
beautiful.
everything out.
Yeah, really beautiful.
I even want to know how many points this whole swing is.
Don't do it.
147. Early entry of that BC down to 2.5. Yeah, 400 points. SD 1.5, 275 points. Man. This is why I had to go for a run too, Jess, right? Because I watched this all day and then I'll wake up to this, which is what I wanted for the whole day.
I'm not mad at you. I saw the short forming and I just didn't slap it and I just left the charts immediately. So
Yeah.
I'm not mad at you at all. Nice. Cozy's killing it for everyone.
Yeah. It's making up for it all.
For real. She is printing. Listen, make that money. Don't let it make you. If you guys know the reference. Yeah, you're killing it. Okay, guys, any questions? I've got a jet, but I don't. Am I gonna miss something good, Adrian? Are you about
No,
to?
I have to leave soon anyway. It's just a half day for my youngest daughter at kindy today, so that's got about 10 minutes or so, and then I got to go.
Okay, sweet, guys. Any questions for me before I go? Or Adrian, make both of our lives easier. We both trade the 5-minute chart, Jumping Dragon. It's really about how long you want to hold the trade.
Up or down. We're looking at down until this zone breaks. If we break this zone, then we're looking at PM high.
Oh, I'm
So
wearing
this
my.
zone is our line in the sand.
Sorry, I'm wearing my black Kingline shirt right now. Actually, I was playing basketball today. Cause I had to get I had to get away from the charts. Let's go, Twins. My stop loss is confidential information. It's Cozy's TP. All right, guys. Well, have a good one. I'm gonna pop off, but have a good weekend, Adrian. See you next week.
Good. Thanks for the stream, Jess. That was good. I'll close it here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Just a little bit more of a casual one today, as we've just had those. It's just been inside days all week, so not the most exciting price action to analyze, but a very nice SBS, which we had discussed at the start of the week in the chat as well. I don't normally stream my live trades, but I do post them, especially A+ setups. I'll post in the chat and at everyone to view. The main reason I don't stream them live, a lot of the time I'm out of the house or doing stuff with the kids, but most of my trades, because they're on the 5 minute, is they will go literally for hours. A lot of the trades. It's not like the 1 minute scalps where you can just show the trade and it's hits TP in sort of 10 minutes. Yeah, definitely post them, and I normally post when we get to each level at SD 1.5, 2.5, etc.